For 50 years, the Kips Bay Decorator Showhouse has designed what's next in design. To celebrate its golden anniversary, more than 20 visionary designers reimagined a Greenwich Village townhouse in just 8 weeks, transforming 9,000 square feet and 6 stories into a living work of art. Scenic wallpapers unfold like murals. Chandeliers and sconces cast light like jewelry, and every doorway reveals another world. A Parisian-inspired dressing room, a moody speakeasy, a dining room adorned with dazzling scenic wallpaper. This isn't just a show house. It's 50 years of imagination, craftsmanship, and purpose, all under one extraordinary roof. So come with us as Homeworthy gives you an exclusive look inside the show house's gorgeous rooms. To watch the full episode ad-free, scan the QR code or click join below. You're watching Homeworthy, where we believe every home has a story.
Hi Homeworthy, I am James Dolenc with James Thomas in Chicago, and you are in the Painted Passage. We have the rear stair hall, which includes a first floor powder room, 2 runs of stairs, and this beautiful little landing right behind me, an ode to the glorious Italian gardens that you find all throughout the Amalfi Coast. We had some great brand partners with us. Phillip Jeffries donated all the wall covering. It's African raffia, and actually the name of it is Capri, which is so perfect. Hyde Park Moldings did this beautiful, beautiful plaster installation with an antique mirror inset. Our partners at the Shade Store killed it with a custom cornice out of silk moire that we're just obsessed about. And the showstopper of this space is this floral installation by Tawana Schlegel. Just a glorious, glorious tribute and ode to Italian Renaissance gardens. Not to be missed, we have the Clarence House fabric. I call this the Bugatti bag of fabrics. This is silk velvet. Zach and Fox on the ottoman, and then our favorite pals at Sewn. It's a beautiful little table skirt arranged with a lovely, lovely piece from McCormick Gallery in Chicago. We wanted the space to feel like a big Italian warm hug, and that's exactly how it feels. One of our favorite aspects of the rear stair hall, we have 2 runs of stairs, and we actually added all of the pencil molding. So the pencil molding you see throughout is brand new. Like I said, the space is sheathed in Phillip Jeffries grasscloth. And then we had an artist, Denise Dietz, come in from Chicago. She spent a week hand stenciling all the motifs that you see behind me, using 3 colors, this beautiful garnet red, the white, and the Aegean blue. And we are absolutely obsessed. It's one of our favorite aspects of this space, and just can't get enough. I am sitting on the most gorgeous luxe wool runner from our brand partner Stark. We just love those guys. They've been incredible, and the color really represents the deep blue Aegean Sea that Tom and I witnessed last year in the Amalfi Coast. The ultra suede wine-colored band or trim throughout the entire space obviously evokes all that fabulous Italian wine that we had, and I think the result is just very elevated, luxe, deep, and I just can't get enough of it. Thanks, Stark. So as I've said, we have the rear stair hall, which includes 3 floors. I am in the powder room on the first floor. This is a little jewel box of a space, and besides those hand-stenciled motifs I talked about, one of our favorite aspects. We basically blew apart the bathroom. I mean, it definitely needed a lift, so we added all of pencil molding in raisin tort from Benjamin Moore. The wall covering is brand new from Phillip Jeffries, and it's called Toulouse Toile, obsessed, and just kind of fit right in with our theme. The very first thing we actually had to select as designers when you're doing a bathroom are the plumbing fixtures, because you have, here in Kips Bay, you've got 8 weeks to pull this together, so you have to order your plumbing right away. So we found this beautiful sink. It's part of the artist edition from Kohler, and it's called the Marrakesh. We loved the handcrafted painterly details of the Marrakesh sink, and ironically, all the colors we were thinking about using, that kind of garnet red, the Aegean blue, the white, are all found in this beautiful sink. So it kind of really set the tone for the entire color palette used throughout our space. We did this beautiful, beautiful Grigio marble working with silver linings, and you cannot forget these gorgeous urban electric. Ironically, they're brand new. They're called the Duomo sconces, which again kind of fit right in with our Italian theme. You also find these as ceiling fixtures used throughout our space as well. We lined the whole thing in this Aegean blue gimp and just our gaga over the entire space. So it really has turned out to be the little jewel box of the Kips Bay Showhouse. I have to say, this is the working bathroom for the Showhouse, so hopefully everyone is going to enjoy it as much as we do. So this is our first Kips Bay. We're just honored to do it. When we found out that we received the rear stair hall, which includes 3 floors for our space, we're like, okay, challenging space. Took us about 2 minutes, and then we said, all right, and we're gonna nail this, and it's been a joyride ever since. You know, it's a challenging space because there are 3 floors, we have a powder room, we have a little landing, it's a thoroughfare for the entire show house, but it has been fun, it's been exhilarating. I will say installing our landing was like installing in a subway. We had so many people in the house, it was absolutely nuts. But you know what, if you're prepared, if you're organized, if you get your stuff done, it's a breeze, and we were given a nice window of time to install our space, and we're just thrilled with the results. So cheers to Kips Bay, cheers to 50 years, cheers to 50 more years of Kips Bay, and come on down and see the show house. We'd love to have you.
Thanks for joining us inside the 2025 Kips Bay Decorator Showhouse. Stay tuned for more unforgettable spaces on Homeworthy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to homeworthy.com for exclusive content, shopping guides, and so much more.